Can you cash out your Acorn account? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I get asked about a lot. Can you cash out your Acorn account? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Acorn to save money, but they're not sure if they can get their money back if they need it. So, I'm here to answer that question for you. What is Acorn? Before I get into the details of cashing out your Acorn account, let's take a quick look at what Acorn is. Acorn is a roundup app that helps you save money automatically. Every time you make a purchase with a linked card, Acorn rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and deposits the difference into your savings account. Acorn is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. It's also a great way to build your emergency fund or save for a down payment on a house. Can you cash out your Acorn account? The short answer is yes, you can cash out your Acorn account. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to have an Acorn Invest account. This is the account that your money is invested in. Second, you need to have at least $500 in your Acorn Invest account. Once you meet these two requirements, you can cash out your Acorn account by following these steps. Log into your Acorn app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on Withdraw. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Tap on Submit. Your money will be transferred to your linked bank account within a few days. When should you cash out your Acorn account? There are a few reasons why you might want to cash out your Acorn account. Here are a few examples. You need to make a large purchase, such as a down payment on a house or a car. You're experiencing a financial emergency, such as a job loss or medical bill. You want to withdraw your money to invest it elsewhere. If you're considering cashing out your Acorn account, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Pros of cashing out your Acorn account. You can get your money back when you need it. You can invest your money elsewhere if you find a better opportunity. You can use your money to pay off debt. Cons of cashing out your Acorn account. You will lose out on the potential for investment growth. You may be charged a fee for withdrawing your money. You may have to wait a few days for your money to be transferred to your bank account. Conclusion. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to cash out your Acorn account is up to you. If you need the money, then it makes sense to cash out your account. However, if you're comfortable leaving your money invested, then it's probably best to let it grow. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about cashing out your Acorn account, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. And remember, if you're looking for a way to save money automatically, Acorn is a great option. Additional tips. If you're planning to cash out your Acorn account, it's a good idea to do it before the end of the month. This will help you avoid any fees. You can also cash out your Acorn account by contacting customer support. If you have any questions about cashing out your Acorn account, you can contact customer support at email protected. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.